sterling silver jewelry from Jay, featuring genuine gemstones mined from the earth. This is absolutely beautiful. It's their gemstone crossover ring, originally priced at $187, today on sale $149.98. 5 easy payments of just $30 today. You're saving over $37. This features their iconic box chain, but with 11 beautiful gemstones as well. We have sizes 5 through 11. Let's look at our choices together. Here's your black spinel. Isn't black spinel so pretty? This lookalike to diamonds is actually white topaz. Everyone loves garnet, and we try to give you what you love. That is that beautiful garnet choice. And then get ready, my February babies. We also have that gorgeous amethyst choice as well. This was new just last month, already saving $37, bringing it home for just $30 on Easy Pay. I'm so excited to introduce our special guest, my friend Angela Carini, who is a jewelry expert who brings us gorgeous jade jewelry here at the Q. Hey, Angela, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great. I'm so excited to be with you for the next hour. We have some really good pieces in this
We
show.
really do. And what a way to get started, because I just think this crossover ring is absolutely exquisite. There's so much to talk about. Should we start first with that iconic box chain? I feel like that's kind of what people always think of when they think Jay.
Perfect. Yep. What a great place to start. So this crossover design is, very well known in the jewelry industry. And what we wanted to do was we wanted to give you our beautiful structured box chain done in this beautiful way. So it looks like it's fluid, just like a loose box chain would be. So we did the crossover design in the front, and then the two chains make their way. They slightly taper around the band, make their way to the back to give you a really comfortable fit. And then on the front, we give you this gorgeous, gorgeous crossover of 11 beautiful gemstones of your choice.
I mean, this is unbelievable to me that you're getting all that gorgeous precious metal, that sterling silver, but then the presence of genuine gemstones. And Angela, you had told me too, everyone has been loving and asking for garnets. So this is something really special that we're bringing you garnets today.
Yes, I mean, almost every single collection, our customers are like, where's the garnet? And
Yes.
so this one in particular, we are so happy that we were able to bring that to you. And just talking about, color consistency and gemstones in general, our garnet is such a perfect shade of red. There's no brown undertones, it's very vibrant, it's not dull. And so when you're getting gemstones from us, know that they are pure, they are clean, they're properly sourced. And so, you're truly getting the best of the best.
Can I say too that there's like this big, bold presence, but it's so comfortable on your finger, because look at the way it kind of like, I don't know what the right word, it kind of like goes down, it tapers. Thank you so
Tapers,
much.
yeah.
Yes, I was like, there's a word that means going down smaller.
Yeah.
Tapers, look at that.
And that's, done by design. We want our rings to have beautiful presence in the front, but we want to make sure that you're able to wear them all day long, that they're not going to fuss or move around on your finger. It's just going to fit really beautifully. If you want to stack these with other rings, you absolutely can. But I love wearing it on my index finger because I think it just makes such a beautiful statement, but stack it with other rings too.
Right. Well, and I'm glad you pointed that out, Angela, because that's one of the best things about shopping with QVC, one of the world's largest jewelry stores. We have access to sizes that you may not find in your neighborhood jewelry store with a door. We have sizes 5 through 11. So that kind of allows you to think outside the box, outside just the ring finger. Like Angela said, you could wear it on your index finger. I put mine on my middle finger. Wear it on your right hand, on your left hand, even your thumb. And Angela, I want to go through our choices again, because each one is absolutely beautiful. This is garnet, which has been super popular. You see that beautiful, rich ruby red of those garnet stones. I love black spinel. I think it's dramatic, it's gorgeous, it is so shiny. That is just classic to me, Angela.
It absolutely is, especially with that bezel setting on the sides. It really just makes that black spinel pop.
Absolutely. Then this is white topaz, but I mean, you could tell me these were diamonds and I would believe you.
Yeah, and me too, because our white topaz is colorless. There is no yellowing, there is no gray. It is pure white, beautiful topaz.
It is so pretty. Again, each ring, 11 gorgeous, genuine gemstones. There's your garnet choice that I have on. And then this one is always so special to me, amethyst, because my sister Amber is a February baby, born on Abraham Lincoln's birthday. And amethyst is that birthstone for February.
And so many of you love amethyst, you're collectors of it. And
Yeah.
so if you have other pieces from us with amethyst, know that this is, a great addition to that.
It's so comfortable, easy to wear. Already lots of great reviews on QVC.com that you can check out. It's J442565. If you have always dreamed of owning an absolutely gorgeous, let's face it, hand grabber, conversation starter. You're getting that iconic box chain, that sterling silver presence, and that beautiful row of genuine gemstones. Not for $187 today, $149.98. 5 easy payments, just $30 brings it home. Make sure you give us a call to bring it home. Always the best way to do it here on QVC2 is to call us 1-800-500-7590. And you know what I was thinking about, Angela? To me, what I love best about jewelry is that story that it tells. And for every single person, it's a different story. And crossover rings like this kind of like, can symbolize a journey, life's journey. I was looking at it too, because we're thinking Valentine's Day. To me, it looks like a cross, which is like a kiss.
Yes, or even like an X and an O,
Yes.
like the X of the O.
Yeah,
I was
that's what I was
right
saying.
there with you.
Yes,
Yep,
like
with
X's,
with
hugs,
that
and
garnet.
kisses. Yes. Can you
Yeah.
tell? You guys get ready. Valentine's Day is in my mind today. We are shopping so
Me
many
too.
gorgeous pieces coming up that have some heart-shaped designs. But really, Angela, I think this is that ring that's perfect for everyday wear. It's going to become one of your signature pieces.
It absolutely is. It's a ring that's going to be very comfortable,
Yeah.
but substantial enough so it's going to hold its own. You don't have to wear it with anything else. And it's just going to complement everything that you're wearing. I mean, if you typically want to go for white topaz or black spinel because you like, to
Right.
stay within the neutrals, you can.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to just add a little pop of color, go for the garnet or the amethyst because you won't be disappointed.
Absolutely beautiful color choices. Lots of great reviews already. Sizes 5 through 11. You're getting over a carat of gemstones for the black spinel, white topaz, and garnet. A carat of amethyst. 11 different stones today, and a $30 easy pay. This last month was $187. Today, you're saving over $37 today. What a way to start the show. Our gorgeous gemstone crossover ring. This is J442565. That sale price is $149.98. 5 easy payments of $30. And if you were going to ask me, Angela, like what I love best about J, it is all encapsulated in this ring.
Yeah, because we're giving you that beautiful box chain. We're giving you that great amount of sterling silver on top of those beautiful genuine gemstones. So that's really what we always try to do whenever we give you gemstone pieces is we love still incorporating, what our heritage is, what you know and love from us. And so that's why this, piece is such a classic. You're going to be able to wear it for so many years to come and, really mix and match it with any of your jewelry.
I mean, we are shopping luxury jewelry today from J, exclusive to us here at QVC. This is a unique opportunity to bring home an absolute classic ring, the gemstone crossover, at a great savings. $30 brings it home on Easy Pay. It's J442565. Make sure you give us a call, 1-800-500-7590. That's your amethyst choice. Here we have garnet, white topaz, or black spinel, sizes 5 through 11. Don't miss out. This is going to be your new favorite. Ooh, coming up, we're bringing